What's up guys, Cece here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be putting together a baby shower gift package for a baby boy. It's going to be so cute, so adorable. It's going to show that you put thought and love into the process, even if you didn't get to spend a lot of money. Let's get started. Okay guys, these are some of the items that will be going into the gift package. We have a onesie. We also have some washcloths. These are small washcloths. We have some bibs, a pair of socks, as well as some Tams. Also, we have some baby soap. This is all natural baby soap made by my mom. She has a natural product business where she makes soap and other items. This is a Nibbler feeder. This will also be going into the package. These are some custom stickers that we made, and this is the box that we'll be putting the items in. Go ahead and open your box. We're going to put it together and then line it with some tissue paper before putting the items inside. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. Once you're finished lining the box, we're going to add the items in one by one, neatly arranging them so it looks aesthetically pleasing and it's just beautiful once they open the gift. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. I found this blue ribbon on AliExpress. I think it's really cute. It has "It's a Boy" on it. Perfect for this occasion. We're going to wrap it around the box and then tie it as a bow. Here I'm using a regular translucent one-sided tape. If you have access, you could go ahead and use a double-sided tape for this section.